Mill Valley, the first city in the Bay Area to get these. New technology which look like big loudspeakers mounted in the Scott Valley neighborhood. They could broadcast life-saving information for any emergency.
We can transmit audio message advising them of a vegetation fire in the area and to either evacuate via evacuation warning or evacuation order.
It's called a long-range acoustical device, LRAD for short. Here's a sample of it being tested.
Please disregard any emergency tones until further notice.
The sound is so loud.
It could travel up to a mile.
And that means that warning alert will be heard not only here in Scott Valley. Closer to downtown, folks can hear it too.
1, 2, 3.
I think it's an excellent idea, and I wish this was done years ago. And it just seems like, fires are more frequent these days.
If it saves one life, it'll make money. So I'm glad that it's there.
Tough lessons were learned in the 2017 North Bay wildfires.
In light of the disasters in other parts of our state, it just made sense to go to a more efficient system.
The siren speakers receive emergency messages via satellite and have a backup battery if the power fails. The city is paying $500,000 for the new technology.